Yo, what's up, y'all? Tech, and can't believe I even got it, but I got the iPhone 7 for a Galaxy S5, and this is a brand new iPhone 7. I just got it from the Apple Store today. Now, before I even get into this video, like you could probably hear the sound difference, so I just picked up a Rode mic, so hopefully this sounds like a lot better than like previous videos, so that's pretty dope. But yeah, so check this out. So I got a brand new iPhone 7 here, and you can see it's iPhone 7 because it got like no headphone jack on here, rip. But yeah, like it's pretty cool so far, like I'm feeling it. So let me tell y'all how I got this for a Galaxy S5. So when I first got the iPhone 7, it was bent, it was cracked, and like it had a no service problem, which was part of a recall. So we went to an Apple store. But before we went to the Apple store, I actually have a friend who fixes iPhone screens. So I actually bought like a $40 screen, and I had him put it on here for me because we're cool, I guess. He just did it for free. And then we went to the Apple store, and Apple just replaced it for me for free. And I'm pretty sure that phone had like a bad battery, so that's pretty cool that I got a brand new whole iPhone 7 here. I don't know, man, I'm liking Apple support. It's a lot better than I expected, so shout out to Apple support. That's a lot better than I thought it would be, so that's pretty dope. But yeah, I got the single iPhone 7 here. It's the same size as the 6S, so not really an upgrade for me in terms of size, but like the speed and all that. I got the dual speakers here, like it's pretty cool. I know it's like 2017, and I mean no, it's 2018. What am I saying? I know it's 2018 and I got a whole iPhone 7 here, and it's kind of old, but still it's an iPhone 7 over a 6S, so I thought it was pretty cool. Got my water resistance, I got all that here. And before, I just used to carry the Galaxy S8, the Galaxy Note 8, and the Galaxy Note 5. I don't know why I carried all three of them, just don't ask me. So now I'm just showing it down to the Note 8 and the iPhone 7 here. So that, like I said, I don't know, I'm liking this phone so far. Like it's pretty cool, same as the 6S. I don't like the size of this thing really, but like I'll get over that, I guess, because it's not gonna be my main phone or anything. So probably pop a Freedom Pop SIM card in here or something like that. But it's like the Sprint. That's my problem right now. And we all know Sprint is trash. Even Sprint themselves said it's trash. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and get it unlocked on eBay or something like that. I don't really know what I'm gonna do yet, but that's my plan so far. So yeah, what should I do with this iPhone 7, y'all? Let me know in the comments below. But I really don't know right now. I'll think of some Apple videos or something, I guess. But yeah, that was pretty much it, y'all. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Just wanted to let y'all know I got this. Peace out.